Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can add audio in Krita Animation. So of course the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that the timeline is visible in your animation workspace. So let's just click on settings, navigate through Dockers, and then make sure that the timeline is enabled on this section. So from there, for most Krita out there, there's going to be this specific small button at the corner of your screen. So just click on it and there will be the audio option. But in my case, since I'm using one of the latest versions of Krita, it's now on the other side, which is going to be this one. So just simply click on it, click on the import audio, and basically from here, we can then locate the audio that we want to import onto our Krita animation. So it's as simple as navigating through your audio, click on open, and basically from there, we will have the audio on our Krita right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.